Have you ever experienced a place where history and nature intertwine so deeply that the house feels more like a fragment of the landscape than a constructed object? The SAR Residence is exactly like that. Built on the wild coast of Latvia, along the Baltic Sea, this summer residence emerges protected by dunes and century-old pine trees shaped by northern winds, a region where harsh climate and untamed nature define the rhythm of life. Rather than trying to dominate this setting, the residence was conceived as a refuge, almost sacred, for 3 generations of the same family, connecting past and present in a deeply poetic way. The site contained 4 vegetation-covered military bunkers, remnants of the Soviet past. Instead of removing them, the intervention transformed them. One became the base of the main house, while the other 2 were reconfigured as guest houses. This strategy preserves the memory of the place while reintegrating it into contemporary life. The main house rises above the ground, like a suspended bridge between 2 of the former foundations, creating a unique relationship with the sea horizon. The entrance begins on the 2nd floor, hidden beneath the sloped volume, revealing generous spaces visually connected to the landscape. Inside, the language is restrained and essential, almost ascetic. Concrete and wood surfaces, simple flooring, and materials that emphasize texture rather than color, creating a calm and pure atmosphere that guides the residents to follow the natural rhythms of the place. The glass facade dissolves the boundary between inside and outside, allowing the Baltic Sea to be present throughout the day. Morning light floods the social areas, while sunset colors the bedrooms facing the ocean. The gabled roof of the main house respects local regulations, but is reinterpreted in a contemporary way with fiber cement panels, establishing a dialogue with the region's historic architecture. Beneath this roof, a custom steel structure solves the technical challenge of supporting the large canopy above a fully glazed facade. The social area and main terrace receive the morning light, inviting a day that begins connected to the sea. In the suite, large windows delicately capture the sunset, transforming this moment into an intimate daily experience. One of the aspects that most defines the experience of this home is its architecture of contrast. The suspended main house conveys lightness, while the guest houses, with their grass-covered roofs, appear rooted in the ground, echoing the form and geometry of the original bunkers and expanding the habitat for local wildlife. The entire ensemble, from the suspended main house to the guest houses integrated into the landscape, is an example of architecture that minimizes its impact on the surroundings. There is no competition with nature, there is harmony with it. SAR Residence is not just a house by the sea. It is an architectural gesture that responds to a harsh climate, the history of the place, and the needs of family life with balance, sensitivity, and a poetry that only well-considered design can achieve.